everybody, we're out here combining some corn. Got the and rolling. I just kind of guessed on the setup, and I got out and I got zero corn coming out of the back. The cobs are completely clean. I got fairly clean grain in the tank. So we're just gonna slowly plug away, and I got one wagon over here that we're gonna just bring it back and forth from the grain bin. So I got a buddy hopefully showing up with one more wagon. Since this auger doesn't reach high enough, I can't dump on the bigger stuff. So we're just gonna slowly plug away here. Been doing a pretty good job, I think. Hey everybody, I got the M2 shut down for the night. I think I did about 300 bushel or so, and figured I'd go help the big boys. I'm over here unloading wagons. Got the S67 going, Dad's running grain cart. I told him I'd unload these, and then I got the little wagons over there. I need some tires aired up, so I figured I'd just stay in the dooryard and get that done. But going pretty good. M2 ran amazing. I didn't get a whole lot of footage because I had a lot of short rows, and it was hard to hold the phone. I need to find something to hold it or start using my GoPro again. So we're just gonna keep plugging away with this and get this all done. Tomorrow I'm going to pick up combining some more, fill them other wagons again, and go from there. So far when I looked over everything, cobs were clean, not a whole lot of grain on the ground. It looked like most of it was coming from the head, so we'll see. But yeah, other than that, keep unloading. All this corn's out of the S67. Got just a little bit in it, a little bit of debris, not bad. My combine's doing about the exact same. If I can remember right, I was running the cylinder about 400, and I had the fan at 5, and I was only probably going 2 miles an hour, and I was doing a fantastic job. So I'm just gonna keep doing that. Corn's pretty damn dry, really dusty. That's the hard part. I had a buddy come over, drop off that one wagon, and he rode along while having that door open, getting that dust in there, starting to kick my butt. But that's the joys of it. We're gonna keep on plugging away. We ain't got a whole lot of fields left. There's only 4 fields left, and we're done for the year. And I'm gonna do some custom work for a buddy of mine. I gotta get that corn head over there, if you can see it at all. The wide row, 4-row. I gotta do some work to that and go from there. So, been a lot of fun getting to play around with that combine. The only problem I have noticed is that steering cylinder on it starting to leak pretty good. It just needs rebuilt. So at some point this winter I'll get it pulled, get that redone. Seems like I lose quite a bit of hydraulic fluid just from that. So, and it likes to steer more the one way than the other. If I want to try turning left, get real tight to whip around, it doesn't like doing it. Turning right, perfect, but just got to keep an eye on it. So other than that, I might try to get a little more footage, but that's about all we got going. So we'll get back in a little while.